I'm Zap Zach here, working with some motor controls and relays, contactors, terminal blocks, and transformers. So right now we have our pigtail 120 volt coming from our service line, coming up to our terminal block. Our terminal block's rated for 600 volts. Cosine ground, neutral, hot. This is hot, so I'm going to be just pointing. I have a ground that matches up with my ground. I have my neutral that matches with my ground. I have my hot that matches with my hot. So from here, my hot from my line is going to my transformer, which is a 120 volt to 24 volt transformer. My contactor requires 24 volts to operate. So from here, my two powers out, my two lines or my loads out of my transformer are going to my 300 volt terminal block, which is good for low voltage, as you can see here. From my terminal block, 300 volt terminal block is coming up and through to my contactor. Or rather, one is coming through my contactor to power and one is coming up to my relay. And my relay is set up on pins 3 and 4, working a normally open circuit. And so from here, I have one line, number 3, goes to my terminal block, which is ultimately being powered, and my second lead is going to my contactor, which is requiring my line in. From there, it is powering my contactor, therefore it allows the power, my 120 volts from my second pigtail to come up, and I'm only powering it. I'm not using the neutral or the ground, because contactors, some of them you have to look at the requirements. Some of them only require a hot, some require a hot and neutral. From there, as you can see, my load is then going to my lamp, the luminaire. From there, the ground and the neutral from the lamp is getting wired back to my terminal block, because my contactor only provides the power to and from. So if I switch my relay, I will turn on the light. See, and you can see the contactor being pushed in to allow the circuit to be more or less, circuit to be more or less connected, to be the power to be engaged. So a relay is just another switch in a form of these motor controls, and ultimately allowing another function to happen. So once again, a 600 volt terminal block to our 120 volt, 24 volt transformer, step down, to our 300 volt terminal block, to our contactor, to our light. If you have any questions or comments, please ask, or write them below. Please follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Once again, this is Zap Zach, and thanks for watching.